Welcome, iPhone users, to another exploration of Apple's commitment to privacy. In this video, we're delving into the latest security feature, contact key verification in iMessage. Stick around to understand what it is, how it fortifies your messaging privacy, and, most importantly, how you can leverage it. Have you ever questioned the security of your iMessages? Fear not, as Apple unveils contact key verification, a new layer of protection ensuring your messages reach only the intended recipient. Stay tuned to uncover the details. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's unravel what contact key verification is all about. In the realm of Apple's robust security features, contact key verification is the new kid on the block. It acts as an additional safeguard, ensuring your iMessages reach only your designated VIP contacts. Now, let's demystify the mechanics behind contact key verification. Picture this: you and your contact turn on contact key verification, generate public verification codes, verify them in person or over a secure call, and voila, a verified badge appears. This ensures that only the right person receives your messages, and you're alerted if any discrepancies arise. But wait, there are a few prerequisites before you dive into contact key verification. Ensure your devices are up to date, iMessage is turned on, iCloud keychain and contacts are enabled, a passcode is set, and two-factor authentication is activated. Now, you're ready to fortify your iMessage privacy. Let's get hands-on with contact key verification. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open Settings, tap your name. Scroll and tap Contact Key Verification. Toggle verification in iMessage, tap Continue. Show and share your public verification code. Open iMessage chat, tap Profile Picture. Scroll down, tap Verify Contact. Ensure the other person does the same. Match verification codes, mark as verified. Encountering issues? Let's troubleshoot. Update your devices, remove from Apple ID, sign out in iMessage on Mac iPad, or keep Apple ID settings open while enabling CKV. In wrapping up, contact key verification empowers you to keep your iMessage conversations private. This feature, aligned with Apple's commitment to privacy, ensures you're only messaging the right people. Activate contact key verification today and elevate your iMessage security. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on your favorite Apple devices. Until next time, keep your chats safe and sound. This is Vital Tech Helper, signing off.